So you know where I am standing right now. থাম্বনেল দেখে আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই বুঝে গেছেন যে আজকে টিটাগড়ের ফ্যাক্টরিটা আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাতে চলেছি। Behind me is the main factory of Titagarh Rail Systems, where not only Bangalore's metro, but Surat's metro, Ahmedabad's metro, Pune's metro, which is India's first aluminum-bodied metro coach, and not only that, they are also manufacturing Vande Bharat coaches from this factory. So today I'll give you a detailed tour of this factory. তো চলুন দেরি না করে আজকের এপিসোডটি শুরু করা যাক। আমি রোহিত আপনাকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি এমন একটা চ্যানেলে যেখানে আপনারা জানতে পারবেন পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সমস্ত ডেভেলপমেন্ট আপডেটস খবর সবচেয়ে প্রথমেই। চলুন শুরু করা যাক। চলে এলাম টিটাগড়ের যে প্লান্টের ভেতরে এবং আমি যেতে চলেছি ফার্স্ট বে এরিয়াতে যেখানে বন্দে ভারত তৈরি হচ্ছে। আই এম ভেরি মাচ এক্সাইটেড ফর ইট। চলুন ভেতরে যাই, দেখা যাক। সো আমি চলে এসেছি বে ওয়ান, যেমনটা আপনারা দেখতে পেলেন। এই বে ওয়ানের মধ্যে কাজ হচ্ছে, আমি জানি আওয়াজ হচ্ছে প্রচন্ড। এইরকম হার্ডকোর ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং দেখানোর প্রথমবার আমি সুযোগ পেয়েছি বস। দিস ইজ ওয়ান অফ ইটস কাইন্ড প্রজেক্ট ইন ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল। আজকের ভিডিও অনেক কিছু আপনারা দেখতে পারবেন টিটাগড়, কারণ মেট্রো ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং করছে এই প্ল্যান্ট থেকে, বন্দে ভারত ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং হচ্ছে, এবং আমার পেছনে যেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সেটা পুরোপুরি বন্দে ভারতের আন্ডার ফ্রেট ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং হচ্ছে। তো আমার বলার চেয়ে ভালো, কারণ আমি নবিশ, আমার বলার চেয়ে ভালো এইটার যিনি হেড রয়েছেন, জেনারেল ম্যানেজার অফ হেড অপারেশনস রাজীব রঞ্জন স্যার, তাকে আমি ইনভাইট করে নেবো। স্যার, welcome to the channel, sir.
So thank you very much for bringing me here. So basically, in a bay where we are manufacturing car body shell of Vande Bharat train, we have got around 6 different types of cars within this Vande Bharat 16 car body train set, configuration. So we will be making all the car body shells over here. This bay is having around 25 different stations. Through which different components will be manufactured and ultimately integrated to make a final cell. Right now we are standing at a location where we manufacture underframe.
और कहीं पे बनता है या फिर सिर्फ पूरा वंदे भारत, the full Vande Bharat is being manufactured in this plant?
So Vande Bharat complete train is going to be manufactured over here as far as this project is concerned. Yes.
How many Vande Bharat train sets are being manufactured here?
We have just begun the production. We are into the sub-assembly phase right now.
So till date no Vande Bharats have been manufactured yet, but this is the first.
We have come, this is the second car body actually. The second car body. We have already completed first car body under manufacturing. Second car body is in progress. So we have altogether 5 different stations for underframe where different processes will be done, like as I told you, pre-skeleton, then main skeleton, then we have third station for reverse welding of the skeleton, fourth station where we are going to do the top deck sheet assembly, and fifth station to do underframe bracket welding.
This is the reverse welding which is happening.
We are standing on the reverse welding station. So we have already completed the welding. We have completed our NDT tests also. We are having roof manufacturing line. Roof manufacturing line. So roof basically has got 2 different major components. One is like flat roof, and then we have got a curved roof. So flat roof and curved roof gets integrated together in the integration fixture. Once flat roof is done, we have got a cantrell fixture over here where LH and RH cantrell will be manufactured. We have got a next station which is like complete roof integration station. So this is the main roof primary picture where we integrate the entire flat roof, cantrail, car lines, everything. LH is basically belonging to underframe line as an underframe manufacturing line, and the RH side is for the roof manufacturing.
This is for Vande Bharat, and I can see metro coaches over here. Sir, tell us this.
So So basically, this factory has got four major bays. Okay, one is each bay is dedicated to a specific operation. Right now, we are standing in bay one, which caters to car body shell manufacturing for Vande Bharat. Then we have got the second bay, bay two for the outfitting of metro. Then we have got a third bay where we do car body shell manufacturing for all the variants of metro. Okay. Then we have fourth bay. Fourth bay is under construction and it will be utilized for the furnishing activity, basically the outfitting activity of Vande Bharat trains.
এখানে বন্দে ভারত হচ্ছে, এখানে মেট্রো, মানে আমি একবার জাস্ট বলবো ঘুরে দেখাও। এখানে হচ্ছে, এটা হচ্ছে পুনে মেট্রো তৈরি হচ্ছে, ফার্স্ট অ্যালুমিনিয়াম বডির মেট্রো। এটা হচ্ছে কার সেটস, এবং এই দিকটা হচ্ছে ব্যাঙ্গালোর মেট্রো।
We are standing in our robot spot welding area. One does the direct spot welding and another one does the indirect spot welding. So indirect spot welding is basically dedicated to our sidewall structure to skin spot welding. Whereas this direct spot welding robot, it works for our roof spot welding on the car line to skin area.
Which all the metro trains are being manufactured here? Which cities?
See, right now we are doing our Pune, BMRC, Surat and Ahmedabad. That's in progress right now. Further, we have to do Mumbai line 5, line 6.
ওয়ান্ডারফুল, কি দারুণ লাগলো না শুনতে। মানে ভাবুন, ব্যাঙ্গালোর মেট্রো এখানে তৈরি হচ্ছে, সুরাত মেট্রো এখানে তৈরি হচ্ছে, আহমেদাবাদ মেট্রো, এবং খুব শীঘ্রই তিনি যেটা বললেন যে এখান থেকে মুম্বাই মেট্রো তৈরি হতে চলেছে। আই উইশ যে এখান থেকে কলকাতা মেট্রো কিছুদিনের মধ্যে, কিছু মাসের মধ্যে আমরা শুনতে পাবো যে এখান থেকে কলকাতা মেট্রো তৈরি হচ্ছে। আসুন যাওয়া যাক ওদিকে, ওদিকে গিয়ে দেখা যাক, আসুন।
This is the underframe of our metro car body, Bangalore metro car body. You know, like the left hand side of this entire bay, first half it is dedicated to sidewall manufacturing. So we have multiple jigs where we do the first structure manufacturing for the sidewall. Post that we do skinning activity. The skinning happens on the robot. Towards our right hand side we have got underframe line where our first underframe skeleton is fabricated. Post skeleton fabrication it goes for the top deck sheet assembly.
ওয়ান্ডারফুল, মানে বুঝতে পারছেন যে রোবট এবং মানুষের কম্বিনেশনে কিভাবে মেট্রো তৈরি হচ্ছে আমাদের হুগলির উত্তর পাড়াতে। এন্ড দ্যাটস অ্যামেজিং। মানে এইখানে মেট্রো কোচেস আমি দেখতে পেলাম, এর আগে আপনারা দেখতে পেলেন বন্দে ভারত, এবং এখানে ইজ দিস দ্য বে অনলি ডেডিকেটেড ফর ব্যাঙ্গালোর মেট্রো অর পুনে ইজ অলসো বিং ম্যানুফ্যাকচার্ড?
This bay is dedicated for all the metro car body shell fabrication, whether it is belonging to Bangalore Metro, Surat Metro, Ahmedabad Metro, everything.
So only the Pune metro is having the aluminium body, no?
Pune Metro is aluminium car body. Rest all the metros are stainless steel car body.
This was the bay 3, and on bay 4 what is happening, sir?
On bay 4 we are going to do the furnishing activity of Vande Bharat trains. This is the fourth bay where the Vande Bharat furnishing activities will be done. So we'll have around like 16 different stations. Along with that, some assembly stations.
This is still under construction. Around 35 or 37 acres this plant is, and recently Titagarh have also taken another 40 acres. So what do you want to say about this? After that 40 acres, will there be any space crunch?
No, definitely not. In fact, that is going to upgrade our entire facility. We'll have more space to manufacture more trains. So we are gearing up for higher volume manufacturing from this plant. So we are standing in propulsion bay. This entire bay caters to the demand of our in-house project as well as the Indian Railway as well. So this bay is being headed by Madhulika.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us this time and so much knowledge about the production that you are doing. Thank you so much. Welcome, ma'am, to my channel, and thank you for giving us this time and opportunity. So what all the things you are doing from here, ma'am?
It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome here in Titagarh. This is the Delu shed where we are looking after the four major part. One is the converters, second is the harness, third is cabinets, and the fourth is a traction motor in the other side.
So the traction motors are also being made here.
Yes, in Bay 5 you can see we have a good setup for making the motors. That's the best part, that we are making it from the scratch, and also we are able to do the testing for the motors here. Since we have already achieved a target of 1500 and soon we will be hitting the target of 2000.
Wonderful. মানে বুঝতে পারছেন কত কি ম্যানুফ্যাকচার হচ্ছে।
This is the loom stand where the cabling is done. Actually, the process starts from the ferrule printing, which is done in that side of the cabin. After that, in the left side, if you see, there is a place for the cable cutting and harnessing. People are having a cable cutting and trunking there. Ferrule printing is like that sticker has been put there. After that, it has been transferred to the loom stand. In the loom stand, they are working toward fitting of the connectors, lugs, pin, and making it ready for fitting into the cabinet, and you directly go to the assembly of the metro. In the right side, you see there is a work in progress for the cabinets. Here, the cabinets are made for BMRCL, and right now, soon we will be starting the part for GMRCL also.
BMRCL means Bangalore Metro.
Bangalore Metro and Gujarat Metro. These cabinets are in the car sets for controlling and displaying everything. All kind of electronics control is done with the help of this cabinet.
So this is the testing bay. First time এরকম এক্সক্লুসিভ টিটাগরের ফ্যাক্টরির ভেতরে আমরা ঢুকছি এবং দেখাচ্ছি আপনাদেরকে।
This is the testing bay area in which we are directly connecting our cabinets, which is kept outside, to this setup. And with one connection, we are able to check the whole cabinet, which earlier used to take around, if we are going manually, 8 hours. However, right now we are able to finish the whole task in 2 hours, saving most of the man hours and ensuring the cabinets are foolproof before installing on the metro.
What about the traction motors? That is a different area.
That is a different area. In this area, we are majorly looking after the cabinets, cable, jumper, and harness for the metro. So it starts from the cable cutting, ferrule printing, completing the whole cable, fitting it into the cabinets, then doing the test within the stipulated time, and we are able to provide this cabinet with the full after testing to the Bay 2 for fitment in metro. I would like to welcome you in the testing facility of our propulsion bay. On the right hand side, you can see that is the cable scan testing center. On the left hand side, we have a combined test bench. This is especially designed for the cabinets. However, this is designed for testing the converter with the EMU motor, which we are producing here itself. Welcome you to the coil shop for our traction motor area. In this, this is the very initial stage of starting the manufacturing of the traction motor.
So finally we have with us the Deputy Managing Director of Titagar Group.
The path has always been very clear. I mean, the vision or the dream to be a metro coach manufacturer and a Vande Bharat manufacturer.
Under one roof, you can manufacture the aluminium body metro coaches as well as stainless steel.
Absolutely. Yes, you're right. We have just recently acquired 40 acres for this particular ramp up.
You have recently won the contract to do Mumbai's metro as well.
That's right.
So after that, when we can see Titagar's metro in Kolkata?
That's a good question. I think